If you've ever sat at your desk at 11 p.m., staring at a half-finished website or a blank content plan, wondering why everyone else is crushing it while you're stuck, this video is for you. The truth is, most beginners don't fail because they're lazy. In 2026, they fail because they are digitally isolated. Let's talk about why your solo strategy is actually the thing holding you back. Every day, thousands of people search, "Why am I not making money online?" or "Is online business a scam for beginners?" The fact that you're asking these questions isn't a sign of failure. It's a sign that the old way of learning is broken. You've been told that all you need is a laptop and an internet connection, but they forgot to mention you also need a feedback loop. Here is the technical reason why online business fails for beginners: information overload versus implementation gap. Without a roadmap, you're just procrastinating, watching endless videos but never actually building anything. You're bouncing between ideas, starting, stopping, and restarting. That's not a business. That's a cycle of confusion. In 2026, the cost of being lost is higher than ever because the market moves so fast. Most beginners fall into these three traps: tool obsession, focusing on the perfect software instead of the fundamental skill; the consumption void, watching 10 hours of content for every 10 minutes of work; the silence penalty, having no one to ask when you hit a technical glitch, so you quit instead of pivoting. Online business doesn't fail people. Isolation does. When you join a community-driven system, your learning curve flattens. Real-time data. You see what's working this week, not what worked in 2022. The normalcy effect. You realize your tech glitches are common, which stops the "something is wrong with me" narrative. Sequence. You stop asking "what's next?" and start following the roadmap. This is why the Daily Profits Now philosophy is built differently. We don't trade in random tactics. We focus on a structured framework where you learn alongside others. By prioritizing implementation over just more information, we help beginners move from confused observer to active participant. In 2026, the lone wolf model is dead. With AI changing the landscape daily, you need a hive mind to stay ahead. Community isn't just a nice-to-have anymore. It's your primary competitive advantage. It's the difference between guessing and knowing. Imagine the shift. You sit down at that same desk, but this time, you have a checklist. You have a group of people to celebrate your small wins. Confidence grows because you aren't guessing anymore. You're executing. That's when you stop asking, "Why am I failing?" and you start seeing the results. If you're ready to see the exact roadmap Daily Profits Now recommends and see how a community-backed system actually works, check out the free breakdown at the link below. No hype, no pressure. Just a clear look at a better way to start. I'll see you there.